Hello crypto lovers, welcome back to my channel Crypto Avenue. Nice that you tuned in. Another video today. Today is November the 1st. It's 11:20 p.m. in Germany, and yeah, I decided to shoot another video today about technical analysis again, but this time a bit more practical, and we will have an example here on the BTC US dollar price, so on the Bitcoin dollar price. I hope the mouse cursor is working today. We will see later on. Okay, so as we spoke about how trends look, uptrends, downtrends, sideways trends, and how you spot them and what the definitions are on uptrends and downtrends. Today we will have a look on this beautiful uptrends of the Bitcoin price. So we learned that the characteristic of an uptrend is defined by higher highs and lower lows. And we spoke also about resistance and support areas, so that prior resistance become most likely support. And we will have a look on the chart right now. So this is the Bitcoin chart starting here. You see 2017. And I will start to look at the chart here in mid-March. So the price at that time on March 25th was $900. So we then had a beautiful uptrend until this area here on the level of 1,792 roundabout. This was our first high. Forget the area here on the left side from this. Just look at this part here. Maybe I can, it's better that way. So we had a new high, then we had a low. Okay, we had a higher high again, or the first higher high, and here we have a higher low as here. And now look at this thin red line that I draw in. This one, this was the prior resistant line, so the resistance of the uptrend at 1,800. And now, after the first run up to the higher high, it came back, exactly on this point, like in this area. Not exactly, a little bit deeper, but in this area. So this is why I said you will see it often, and this is a real-time example. We came back to this first resistance line, which is now our support. Why it is a support? Because you see the price bounced back. So it was supported and bounced back to new highs, even though this high is not that high as in relation as we had here, but it's still a higher high. So next very, very, very important point, you see I drew this line straight down to here, where it came back to the exact support line again. But as I told you, not every trend looks perfect. You see, this was quite a little bit choppy in a sideways range. And it took us time to consolidate, came back, and from here it jumped, and so it bounced back from the from the support line. And this is quite interesting again. So as you can see, we came back to this resistance line once, and we didn't break through it, but we came back. So basically this is not a real higher high, but we have a higher low. Keep that in mind. I guess I will speak about it later in different videos. We are what I wanted to mention is that you will often see that the price tested or will test the last resistance. Maybe one time, maybe 2 times, maybe 3 times. It's not that easy to say it has to break through. No, often you see that either it tries to test it and came back, as we see it here. So it tested the price here, the former resistance, and came back. Sometimes you will test it 2 times or 3 times. And but sometimes you will see also false breakouts. So that means that the price will spike through this area for some couple of points, but then will come back. And this is why I said to you, it is not, don't think about this line like this is the point and has to turn back there or go up there. No, it is in this area. Don't try to be so fixed on just one number. Yeah. Okay. Touch the support line, a resistance line, came back, higher, low, and then break through. Boom. You see from 2,900 up to 4,500. Pullback. So higher high, higher low, pullback, little pullback or correction, however you want to call it, and then we went up for new high. Okay, from this new high we had a pullback, but this time, as you see, no higher highs. It came back and voila, as you see, we came back to this former resistance line, which is now, you got it, the support line. From here we bounced back, you see this, to around 4,100, consolidation, higher low, and then we break through the former resistance to a new high. And this is also a great example that trends doesn't have to look, or they will not look perfect. As we had this here, this consolidation area, we have here some kind of, the trend doesn't look great on this daily chart here. But then you see we broke through this resistance up, came down, this time not to this exact point that we had here, this support line, the former resistance, now the support, but a little bit above. Again, you see, think about it, give some room for the price, yeah. Okay, and so on. New high, higher low. Again, not a real perfect trend, but this is normal as you saw it, and here we are today at $6,612, which is amazing. So guys, I told you I want to keep it short, so 8 minutes is enough. I hope you got an impression on how to see the trends and where the important points are, support, resistance, that the trend doesn't look perfect. And yeah, and TA or trading is never perfect. You never pick up the bottom and you never pick up the top. This is completely bullshit. And whoever told you stuff like that is lying. Yeah, you're not a surgeon, so you don't have to be perfect, but you have to get, let's say, from a movement 80, 60, 90%. This is enough to make money. Just get a feeling of where the trend is going, get into the position, how to do this and how to manage the trade and so on and so forth. We will speak about it in later videos. So for now, this is enough just to show you the chart here. Enjoy this price. There are great rumors outside that Amazon may accept Bitcoin. That would be awesome. So let's see what happened. Buy the rumor, sell the news. We will speak about this as well. But as I try to evolve this TA trading like step by step with the basics, and then go on later on to deeper into this topic, and where we can speak about more specific stuff that are trading related. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned again something. This is the most important thing here. Stay happy, stay healthy, and see you next time, guys and girls. Bye bye.